No, we're not on work time if that happens.
They love
It could be rabbit.
That's a confused squirrel.
No, rabbit.
They love Shake Shack
It
French
just runs
fries.
up you. No, oh shit! You look like a tree. I'm so confused right now. I'm freaking out.
Oh, I should make my move.
French bulldog in that.
We should do this.
Huh?
French bulldog in there.
We should take a picture with this tree.
Totally.
Richard, let's take a picture with this tree. Okay, so you want that tree?
Yeah, I like this tree.
I do too.
Go ahead, Becky. Don't go right there.
And Amy.
Oh, that's awesome. I love it. Okay, got it. That's great.
We're all tree huggers. Hug the tree. Genevieve, Caitlin. Genevieve, Caitlin.
Trees that can't run.
Love our tree. Look at Caitlin. Like, what have I got myself into? No, I'm cool. Happy Earth Day!
Happy Earth Day.
Happy Earth Day to you.
Happy Earth Day to you.
Happy Earth Day, dear planet.
Dear Earth.
Happy Earth Day to you.
Dear Earth.
This is when the Earth was born.
All our recycled goods.
Happy Earth Day,